Okay, guys, good morning. So let's begin the session now. Am I audible, everyone? Hope I'm clear.
Yeah,
So, guys, let's just start with this. Okay, so let us see first of all what is the Azure data engineering is. What exactly? Okay, so let's try to see this first. So I'm starting up this Azure data engineering. So what is Azure data engineering? So guys, when we talk about the Azure data engineering, everyone. So guys, the Azure data engineering. Okay, everyone. So the Azure data engineering is nothing but the Azure data engineering is nothing but basically Azure is nothing but it is the name used by the Microsoft. It is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services, guys. It is the name used by the Microsoft to market their cloud services. Okay, like there is a more supermarket. So actually, this more supermarket is owned by whom? It is a product of Birla. Okay, so Birla is owning the more supermarkets. That means the Birla is marketing their grocery stores with a name called what is that? More. In the same way, the Microsoft is marketing their cloud services with a name called what? Azure. So what is my data, guys? Data is nothing but information. Am I right? Data is nothing but what? Information. So finally, what is it? You have it? Engineering is nothing but application of techniques. So hence we can say applying the techniques. Okay, applying the techniques on the data by using the Azure, Microsoft Azure. So here, hence it is called as what? Azure data engineering. So we can say, guys, the Azure data engineering is a complete end-to-end service, which is provided as the Azure data engineering is a complete end-to-end service, guys. Azure data engineering is a complete end-to-end service, guys. Okay, it's a complete end-to-end service, which is provided in order to perform the following task. What is that? The first one, the Azure data engineering is a bunch of cloud services, guys. It is a bunch of cloud services. It is a bunch of cloud services. Okay, guys. It is a bunch of cloud services. It is a bunch of cloud services. Okay, guys. Azure data engineering is nothing but it is a bunch of cloud services. Okay, bunch of cloud services. Okay, so now these cloud services are provided to perform the following task. What is that? So using the Azure data engineering, which is the bunch of cloud services, we can perform the following task. What is it, guys? The first one is called as a data migration. And the next one is what? Data integration. Data summarization. Then we have the data visualization. So these are all the tasks we can perform it by using the Azure data engineering. What is it? Data migration, data integration, what is it? Data summarization and the data visualization. So these are the all techniques we have it, guys. Okay, all techniques we have it in in this. So now let's try to see what are the things we have it. So now, guys, so these are the jobs we can perform it by using the Azure data engineering. So as we talk about the Azure data engineering, guys, it's a bunch of, I said that it's a bunch of cloud services. What are the cloud services, guys? The following are the cloud services. What is that? The first one is ADF, and the second one we call it here as the ADB, guys. That is called as Azure Databricks. And the next one is you have it as the Synapse. So we have what's it? Azure Database, Azure Data Factory, Synapse. That is ADF stands for Data Factory. ADV stands for Databricks, Synapse. Then we have what's it? Machine Learning. ML stands for Machine Learning. Then we have what is that? Open AI. Okay. So again, after this, guys, Open AI, and then we can also have the Fabric. Many more are there. I'm just listing few of it. Okay. So many services are there. So these are all called as what, guys? These are all called as what? Everyone. These all are called as what is that? Together it is called as what? Azure Data Engineering. Together it is called as what? Azure Data Engineering. That is, Azure Data Engineering is a bunch of the following cloud services. And these are used for what? Guys, these are used for what? Data migration, integration, data summarization, and as well as the data visualization. Okay, everyone. So these are all the things we have it. Okay. Now, guys, let's try to. Now, guys, let's try to see an example which say we're using which we can see or we can understand what is data migration, what is data integration, what is summarization, and data visualization. Now, guys, first of all, let us see what is a data migration. Guys, every one of us are using the mobile phones. Am I right? That too, we are using the smartphones. Okay. So now, guys, tell me if you're using a smartphone, where do you, everyone, if you're using a smartphone, everyone, if you're using a smartphone, where do you store the data in your mobile phone? Tell me now. Generally, in a mobile phone, whenever you are having, guys, whenever you are having, everyone, whenever you're having a mobile phone and when you wanted to store the data, generally in the mobile phone, you will have what is that? Inbuilt storage is there. Am I right? Inbuilt memory is there. But that memory is limited. So you can say, what's the limit for it? You can say 32 GB, or in some cases 64 GB, or in some cases it can be okay 112 GB, or else in some cases it can be 256 GB, whatever it may be, the thing you have it. Or in 512 also is there, but not beyond that. Now, suppose you have to store, guys, suppose you have to store 100, that is 1900 GB of the data. How much? 900 GB of the data, guys. So now, if you wanted to store the 900 GB of the data in your mobile phone, where your mobile phone inbuilt memory is what? 512, that is, let us say the maximum of what is that? 32 GB is here. So what is that you can do? Memory, you can't expand it. The mobile phone default memory, you can't expand it. Am I right? So what you will do, you will add an SD card here. Even after adding the SD card, everyone, you're able to get, even after adding the SD card, everyone, even after adding the SD card, you're not able to get, you're not able to get the, that is nothing, but you're not able to store the data. So that is the, say, we can say the memory which is added after adding the SD card is what? Around, I can say, guys, 100 GB. But still, the requirement is not filled, guys. Am I right? 100 GB is there, but still the requirement is not filled. So even after adding the this one, so your total memory is what now, guys? The total memory is what? 100 plus 32, 132 GB. What is that? 132 GB. You have the total memory of what? 132 GB, guys. You have the total memory of what? 132 GB is there. But whereas, can you see here? You have to store how much data? 900 GB of the data. So as this is not possible for us is to store it further into mobile storage, what we do, guys? Everyone, we try to store the data into the Google Drive, or else you have a iCloud is there. If you're using an Apple phone, you have a iCloud. Likewise, these are all the, can you see it? These are all the provider of cloud networks where we can store the data. But when we talk about the Google Drive, guys, how much data you can store it here? You can store the maximum of what is it, everyone? 15 GB. You can't store the maximum 15 GB. That is the default memory, guys. The default memory which you can store it here is the 15 GB. But you can store more than 15 GB or not? Of course, you can store unlimited data here. You can store the data in the gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, whatever you want. It can store the data. But what is it? Subject to the payment of the same, guys. That means you have to make the payment and then you have to take, you have to make the payment, guys, and then you have to buy the same memory. Getting my point? So whereas, guys, everyone, so whenever you're trying to move the data which is already there in your mobile phone inbuilt memory, when you're trying to move the data from your mobile phone inbuilt memory, everyone, when you try to store the data from your mobile phone inbuilt memory, when you try to move the data, guys, when you try to move the data, your mobile inbuilt storage, mobile version inbuilt storage, everyone, from your mobile inbuilt storage, okay, from your mobile inbuilt storage to what is that Google Drive. When you try to move the data from the mobile inbuilt storage to what is that Google Drive or the iCloud, this is called as the process of what is it, guys? It is called as the process of what? Data migration. So it is called as a process of what? Data migration. So here you have also data migration is a process. Okay, guys, this is called as the process of what? Data migration. So hope everyone is clear with the data migration, guys. Please respond. I want a reply from all of you guys.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, the next one. What is it you have it? The next one is nothing but the data integration. So here you have a data integration. So what is data integration? Let's try to see this, guys. So guys, when you talk about the data integration, everyone, data integration is nothing but it is a process where, guys, it is a process where the data is integrated from multiple sources and kept at a place. That is called as a process of what? Data integration. That is called as a process of what? Data integration. Okay. So now let us see what is a data integration first. So guys, when you talk about the data integration, everyone, let's take an example here. Everyone, okay. I'll just show you one example here. Okay. I'll show you an example. So, guys, this is a supermarket. You have it. Let's just say the same more supermarket is there. So, when you go to the more supermarket, guys, everyone, you have how many type of products are there? Many type of products are there. What is that? Can you see it? I can say soaps. Then you have what's that? Soft drinks. Then you have vegetables. Okay, you have what's that? Soaps, soft drinks, vegetables, and then you have what is it? Okay, soaps, so soft drinks, vegetables, and groceries. Okay, these are all, can you see it? These are all the things which are available, which will be available into the supermarket, more supermarket. Now, guys, you have been to the more supermarket. Now, tell me, actually, your need is to today's necessity is nothing but you wanted, guys, you wanted to, guys. Okay, now here you have it. Now, so let's just say soaps, soft drinks, vegetables, and what is it? You have it, groceries, etc. Okay, so these are all the. I'm just giving you a broad list here. You have all this is there. So now tell me, all the soaps. So all the soaps are not made in India. Some of them are imported from various countries as well. In the same way, soft drinks are also, all the soft drinks are not from India. These are, manufactured or formulated in some other countries, and it is kept for available to sale in India. The same vegetables. These all vegetables are not cropped in India. Some of them are imported from other countries like Malaysia, you have it, like United Kingdom. From there it has been imported. Okay. Likewise, what is it you have it? Guys, okay, let's say groceries. So groceries are also available here. Okay, some of the grains and all been imported from other countries. So that means what the more supermarket is doing, more supermarket collects all the products. That is nothing but soaps it collects from various brands, soft drinks it collects from the various brands, and vegetables it collects from the various vendors, and groceries and what is it you have it? Groceries they will collect it from different vendors, and now they made it available under one roof at the more supermarket. Why like this? Because facilitating, because to facilitate the consumers, because to facilitate the consumers, guys, because to facilitate the consumers. So as a consumer, whenever he reaches the supermarket, he should able to get all the things under one roof, all the things under what is that one roof here. So hence, can you see here? Hence, soaps is a different manufacturer. Soft drinks is manufactured by different people, and vegetables are cultivated and cropped by the different farmers. Okay, and groceries, even this is actually farmed, or else you can get cropped here, and ultimately after cutting everything, it's bought here. So that means from various, okay, this from you get from what various business vendors, you get all these products. So all these products are made available for sale in a particular, okay, market, that is called a particular supermarket. So for facilitating the consumer, so this is called as a process of what, guys? This is called as the process of everyone. This is called as the process of what, everyone? Putting under the one roof. It is called as what? Integration. It is called as a process of what, guys? Integration. So this is called as the process of what, guys, everyone? Integration. It is called as the process of what? Integration. So integration is nothing but, so integration is nothing but, guys, everyone. Integration is nothing but, integration we got it from the, yes guys, we got it from the various, okay, providers, and kept under the one roof for facilitating the consumer. So hence this is called as what? The process of integration. So if the same thing happens with the data is collected from various sources and kept under the one roof, guys, then it is called as what? Data integration. That means first data you gathered from the files, CSV files, XML files, HTML files, etc. One you gathered it from the, one you gathered it from the, yes guys, one you gathered it from the, that is nothing but, okay, when you gathered it from what is that, from the database, okay, various databases. So all these gatherings from the various locations, okay, the various persons come, that is keeping it under one roof, it is called as what, guys, everyone? It is called as what? Yes guys, it is called as what? It is called as a process of what? Data integration. Data integration. Okay guys, so this is called as a process of what? Data integration. That should be okay. Data integration. So I hope everyone is following this data integration and data migration, guys. Yes, everyone, please respond, ma. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the next one. So we have seen what is a data migration and what is a data integration. Now the very important one, guys, what is a data summarization? Everyone, let's try to see this. What is data summarization? So guys, when we talk about the data summarization, let's try to see what is a data summarization. So guys, the data summarization is nothing but The data summarization is a process, everyone. The data summarization is a process, everyone. The data summarization is a process where okay, data summarization is a process where, guys, so the same example I'll take it. That means the more supermarket example I'll take it. Now tell me, the more supermarket has what is that? Multiple products available here. Am I right? Multiple products available here, guys. Everyone, multiple products available here. Okay, we have what's it under the more supermarket. We have what's it multiple products are available. Everyone, multiple products are available under the one roof. Now, guys, actually, the task of the day. Now you have to prepare a veg curry, guys. What is that? You have to prepare a vegetable curry. Now, for preparing the vegetable curry, you have been to the Mo supermarket. Tell me now, to prepare the veg curry, do you require the soaps? Yes, guys. To prepare a veg curry, my question is that to prepare a veg curry, do you require the soaps, guys? Soaps are not needed. Am I right? Yeah. Then you require soft drinks are needed to
No.
prepare a veg curry. Do you require the soft drinks? Not really, no. Now, do you require the vegetables to prepare the veg curry? Do you require
Yeah.
the vegetables, guys? In fact, we require it. Okay. So out of a list of all, I'm selecting only one that is called the vegetables. So I'm taking up the vegetables. That means I'm picking up the vegetables. So guys, I'm picking up the vegetables here. I'm picking up the vegetables, everyone. I'm picking up the vegetables. I'm picking up the vegetables here. Okay, guys. So let's see here. I'm picking up the vegetables, guys. Okay. Whereas here, can you see? I'm picking up the vegetables. That means we have soaps, soft drinks, vegetables, and groceries. Out of all those, I'm selecting the vegetables. I'm taking up the vegetables. So here you can say, guys, I'm taking up the vegetables. I'm taking up what's that? Vegetables. So that means list from the list of all, guys, from the list of all, what I'm doing it, I am selecting the vegetables. Can you say this process? Selection of vegetables, guys. We can say the process of what? Selection of vegetables. We can say the process of what? Selection of vegetables. Am I right? It is called the process of what? Selection of vegetables. So we can say this process is nothing but it is called as what? Selection of vegetables. Now the vegetables are selected. Everyone. The vegetables are selected. Everyone, guys. Okay. The vegetables are selected here. Just okay, so this is called what? Selection of vegetables. It is called what? Selection of vegetables. So now once the vegetables are selected here, what is that you'll do? You'll pay the bill. Guys, everyone. You will pay the bill. Okay, you will pay the bill, everyone. You will pay the bill. Okay, guys, you will pay the bill. You will pay the bill, guys. And now once you pay the bill, you bought them home. So that means you have paid the bill and you bought them home. So now tell me, as soon as you get them billed, guys, everyone, as soon as you get them built and you brought them home, are you going to start eating them in the raw form, guys? Or do you require to perform some process? See, as a human, we don't eat the raw food. We don't eat the raw vegetables. We require what is that? Some changes to be made on that. That is nothing but what? We will have to perform some changes. What is that? Can you say? Can you say, as a human, we don't eat the raw vegetables. So for making them change, so do you require to perform the process called what? Transforming. We require to perform a process called what? Transforming. So let's try to see this here. So what is the transforming process? So I can say cleaning or washing of vegetables, cleaning or washing of vegetables. Then you have what's it? Cutting and chopping. Okay, cutting and chopping. Cleaning and washing, cutting and chopping. What's the next thing you have it, guys? Cleaning and washing, cutting and chopping. Then you have what's it? Uh, Finally, cooking. And once the cooking is completed, you will get a final texture of what's it? Curry. It is called as veg curry. And what you will do? Finally, we eat the veg curry. Am I right or not? We start eating the veg curry. We start eating the veg curry. So, guys, here in the process, what's it you have it? Can you see? Guys, here we have as what? First one is a selection of vegetable. Second one is a transformation of the vegetable. And the final layer is nothing but the eating of the vegetable curry. So, guys, in this particular process, everyone, can you see it? Guys, in this particular process, we have performed the following jobs. Whereas, can you see it? Technically, if we talk it about, guys, technically, if we talk it about, technically, if we talk it about, guys, this here, we can say the same process of what? Data summarization. So, instead of vegetables, I will replace it with the data. So, here you have a selection of vegetable is there now. So guys, what we can say? The selection of vegetables. Instead of selection of vegetables, I can say, guys, what's it, guys? What's it? The first one we say it as what? Extraction. Technically, guys, we call it as extraction of data. Then we have the next one is what, guys, everyone? Transformation of data. And once the transformation of data is done, then what we do? We perform the process of loading of data. And loading is what, guys? Loading into the target system. That's it. This is how we perform it. So technically, guys, this is called as what, guys? Technically, it is called as what? It is called as the E. Then you have what's it, guys? T.
ETL.
Exactly. And the next one is what? L here. So hence this process is called as a ETL. Nowadays, we also call this one as a ELT also. That means you can perform the process reverse, okay, in reverse also. ELT is also supported. That means whether you go for ETL or ELT, Microsoft Azure supports both ETL or ELT, both it supports. Okay, guys. So this is the process of what? Data summarization as well. So guys, this whole process is called as what? Data summarization. So guys, in the same way, just I took an example to, to make it understand. That's the only thing. But rest of the things process is same here, guys. Okay. So we have what is it? Data summarization is done. Now, finally, what is that you have it, guys? Can you see here? The final layer of this is what is that you have it? Data visualization. So what is data visualization? Now, suppose, guys, everyone, you have some data related to the same supermarket sales. You have the data related to the same supermarket sales here. Okay. You have the data related to the same supermarket sales here. So you have the data related to the same supermarket sales, and what we are performing is the following: data visualization. So now in this process, can you see here, everyone? I have, okay, the following information is this: product ID, or else date of sales, And then I have, what is that? Amount. The date of sales is what? What's the date you have it, guys, everyone? 22nd, 10, 2024. Amount is what? Something 6,000 or 60,000 like this. So again, you have what's it? 10, 2024, 50,000. Now, tell me, you have 2 days, days there, that is sales is there, 22nd day and 21st day. Now tell me, which day sales is more, guys? Yeah. Obviously, you can say 23 days sales is more. That means you have got this value. If the same way, if you have, can you see here? So only 2 records are there, you can easily say it here. If you have likewise, okay guys, if you have likewise 1,000 records are there like this. So more data like this. Can you say it manually, guys? Which day sales is more? Rather than instead of 2 days data, you have some okay, some 365 days data is there. Can you say which day sales is more, guys? Here,
It's difficult to find out.
obviously. So here you don't, we can't do it manually. So for that, here we require the technological support. So guys, here also in the process of data visualization, we use what is that, guys? Azure Synapse. And we also design the Azure machine learning algorithms, we design it. Okay. And also Azure machine learning, Azure the Synapse. These are all the things we use it here as it is. Okay. So these are all, guys, we have it as what? Everyone. So data visualization is nothing but it's a process of what? Analyzing the data and is giving the decision on what part. That's nothing but it's also helps us to okay, that is something but data visualization is used to provide the helps in decision making, helps to provide you the decision making, guys. So here you have what's it? The following are the things we have it. What is it? The first one is what is it, guys? The first one is what is it? Data migration, and the second is data integration, and the third one is data summarization, and the next one is that data visualization. So these are all the process we have it. Okay, guys, everyone. So as a part of this course, we are going to see all of them: data migration, data integration, data summarization, and as well as the data visualization, where the duration of this course is 100 days, guys. How many days? 100 days. You have the duration as what? 100 days, guys. I'm just saying 100 days here, okay? Duration is the 100 days, okay? And we cover almost all the given things. What is it? ADB, ADF Synapse, and I will, this one, I will cover you the introduction, how does it works all, and also the fabric introduction, I'll give it, okay? And apart from this, guys, the classes will start daily at 7 a.m. as it's a prescribed time. Further, there will be no change in the time as well. So here I'm using, okay, that's it. This is my number, guys.
Hi, sir. Can we
Yeah, yeah.
attend NDB parallelly?
Yes, you
What
can
was the
do.
timing of ADB?
Pardon me?
What was the timing of ADB classes?
ADB is 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Oh,
It's already started, or I need to start?
it's already started. Or if you want this batch to come again in ADB, 8 o'clock will come.
Okay.
See, that also you can do it. One batch you can attend the ADF, another batch you can attend the ADV. That depends upon you. Okay.
Okay.
So that's it, guys. So that's it for the day. Any other questions for me, guys? If you have any questions, any doubts are there, you can just call me directly on this number. I'm just available. Okay. Thank you, guys. I'm ending up the session. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay. Thank you.